Spice up math lessons with MathFacts football materials. First of all, students can download the MathFacts football mobile game in the Google and Apple app stores. An equation is given. 8 plus 0 equals 8. Correct answers are rewarded with an opportunity to run a play. Here you see the DC Commandos versus the Dallas Cowpokes. Touchdown. More information is at mathfactsfootball.com. For the classroom or at home, you can get the downloads to these surfaces for free at studentathlete.net. Students may use the number line, the multiplication table, and the 200 chart surfaces to get correct answers to equations. Reward correct answers with turns to try to score a touchdown, needing to at least have part of the ball in the end zone. 1 turn per correct answer. And you can use the little softball, like something I just used just now, or you can invest in some tabletop football items. This goal post here, these balls, I got from the Rhode Island Novelty Company at a good price. Got that online. Now the tabletop balls here came with the goal post. Now if you're successful in getting them, you can get or try to get these NFL licensed tabletop balls, but they can be hard to get. They were out of stock in a number of places that I checked. I think I got these from gumballstuff.com. I strongly suggest using the goal post and not having someone putting fingers up to represent goal post and have the ball fly towards someone's face. If you haven't played tabletop football before, that's how we played back in the day. You kick the ball like this, and the ball may hit you in your face, but of course you don't want that. Also, a person who is judging if the kick was good can stand behind the person kicking the ball, once again not behind the goal post where the ball would be flying toward the face. You can incorporate kicking field goals and extra points in other MathFacts football activities, so check out my videos showing how to run plays and score touchdowns moving these cubes on the playing surfaces. And again, after scoring a touchdown, you can kick an extra point. During the game, you can kick a field goal. Thank you for watching.